Welcome back to Haven and Green, where beauty, creativity, and inspiration come together to transform ordinary spaces into extraordinary experiences. There is something truly captivating about a place that feels thoughtfully designed. The way colors blend together, the balance between natural elements and artistic details, and the sense of harmony that fills the environment can instantly change the way we feel. Great design is not only about appearance, it is about creating moments that inspire, comfort, and leave a lasting impression. Every beautiful space begins with a vision. It starts as an idea, a dream, or even a simple spark of inspiration. Over time, that vision grows into something tangible, shaped by careful choices, imagination, and attention to detail. Whether modern or timeless, bold or subtle, every design tells a unique story through its textures, forms, and atmosphere. One of the most remarkable aspects of creative design is its ability to connect people with their surroundings. A well-crafted environment encourages us to slow down, appreciate the details, and enjoy the beauty that often goes unnoticed in our busy lives. The interplay of light, shadow, color, and structure creates a visual experience that feels both inviting and memorable. Innovation continues to redefine the way we think about spaces and aesthetics. New ideas are constantly emerging, blending functionality with artistic expression. Designers and creators are exploring fresh approaches that challenge traditional boundaries while maintaining a sense of elegance and sophistication. These evolving concepts inspire us to imagine new possibilities and embrace creative thinking in unexpected ways. At the heart of every inspiring space is a sense of balance. Beauty is often found when different elements work together in harmony, creating an atmosphere that feels effortless and natural. Thoughtful design considers not only what we see, but also how a space makes us feel. The most memorable environments are those that evoke a sense of wonder, comfort, and connection. As we continue to explore remarkable ideas and stunning creations, it becomes clear that inspiration can be found everywhere. Sometimes it appears in grand, breathtaking settings, while other times it emerges from the simplest details. The key is to remain curious, open-minded, and willing to see the extraordinary in the everyday. Creativity has the power to transform spaces, elevate experiences, and inspire new perspectives. It reminds us that beauty is not limited to a single style or trend. Instead, it evolves with imagination, innovation, and the desire to create something meaningful. Every new concept adds another layer to the ongoing story of design and artistic expression. Thank you for joining us on this journey of discovery and inspiration. We hope today's experience has sparked new ideas and encouraged you to see the world through a more creative lens. If you enjoyed this content, be sure to support the channel and stay connected for more inspiring designs, innovative concepts, and breathtaking visual experiences. This is Haven and Green, where creativity meets beauty and inspiration has no limits. Until next time, keep exploring, keep imagining, and keep finding inspiration in the world around you.